See? I'm gonna go everywhere. Remember this?
Which one is it?
What? Damn. Right there. Hi. Where is it? This is right here.
Are you still with him?
Yeah. 11:42. The fuck?
Shit, we still got advisory.
Oh shit! We got advisory.
Let's skip that too.
Miss Duncan knows I'm here. Fuck. I forgot today was fucking Wednesday.
Get on Facebook, Stacy.